This video was obtained by Live Boston News through the Massachusetts Public Records Law. Any redactions to the video were made by the agency that released the records. All suspects are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
434, I'm around the corner, I drove up.
What's up, man? How are you?
Oh, it's under my dad's name.
Is he buckled in, but not actually buckled in?
Yeah, not in the back.
Huh?
You know how the cars fit, it beeps.
Oh, I don't know.
I was just avoiding the car.
Yeah, man, but that's the thing that saves your life when you crash, dude.
Nah, you're right, but he's a good driver.
Alright, touche. I'll get it
Drop
out.
my phone. Can you open the door for me?
Can you open it? Yeah, dude. Does it not open from inside? You
Nah,
can
it does. I just...
yeah, dude, it's right there.
She said you the type nigga I like. Me and them niggas not finna lie. Okay, alright, okay,
See, it's like right.
okay, alright. She said you the type nigga I like. Wanna fuck with you the rest of my life. Okay.
Dude, you wanna pop out and grab it? You pop out and grab it. I don't know. That seemed like a process, dude.
Nah, I got it.
Alright, then.
You know how things get all the side of the cross.
Yeah, man, that's what I'm saying. Like, it seemed like a process. I was gonna say, he could pop out and do his thing. Is that you? You can pop it, dude. You guys having a decent night so far?
Yeah, you should.
So we came from my friend Maria.
Yeah, you said it was your dad's car?
Yeah.
Then you just gotta get that.
No, yeah, I just gotta get it updated.
Alright, yeah, man. Technically, like, we're not supposed to let you drive on it. Or technically, not supposed to let you leave the place. You're supposed to get it.
No, I was like, you know,
I
know.
It is what it is. I don't want it.
So the inspection stick is red. This thing can't be on the road. You know that, right? Okay. Alright. Just want to step up from okay.
You got anything crazy on you? No. Nothing? Is that your inhaler? You going for those, not the inhaler?
Yeah.
Alright, dude. You got nothing crazy on you?
No.
You mind if I check quick? Or?
Yeah, you go.
Man, thank you. I appreciate it. Just like weed and stuff?
Yeah.
How much?
I just got like
Nope. Stop.
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing it.
Where is it? Left side pocket.
Loaded, man. I don't want to. We don't even ask. Is this loaded?
You don't want to go on off. Okay, loaded? I'm good. I got it.
No, I've been over there 1,000 times and I've never been. I'm not arguing with you, but I've been over there 1,000 times. That's actually.
So you don't have a license to carry around?
Anything else in the car?
You can tuck it in. Nothing in there, bro. That's crazy. I'm not about to argue with you. Cross the freeway, but I do have the freedom. I'm not about to get it back there.
No, sorry. You can tell me what